My poor mother. My poor father. It's because of me he is like this. Es por mi culpa que esto le haya pasado. I can't stop thinking about it. Last night I could hardly sleep, and when I managed to close my eyes, I dreamed of him. Estaba siendo barrido en el aire por the roaring wind. He was screaming for his life as he fell into the sea. And he tried to hold on to a rock, but the sea kept pulling him down to the bottom. And he tried to swim for his life as the big waves were pounding hard against him to drown him. Fue tan terrible. And no podía respirar. He couldn't come up to the surface to breathe. This morning I thought of going to the church to confess my sins, but the priest must be busy. The church is full of so many people who have lost their homes that he wouldn't have time to listen to me. And the priest wouldn't do anything except make me repeat 10 Ave Marías, lo cual es estúpido porque entonces a ver, pensaría que estoy atrapado en una oración como un disco roto. Then I've thought of going to the police station to turn myself in for committing this crime, lo cual no hice, pero I feel guilty, like a criminal, knowing my father is like this, and my mother. Mi pobre mamá. También me siento muy mal para ella. My mother, who is afraid that my father won't see her with the same eyes as he used to.